Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by inspecting the shuttlecock for broken feathers, loose cork, or separated glue joints and work on one defect at a time. Replace broken feathers using matching size and glue them into the cork pocket, pushing the quill firmly into the glue cavity. Use a thin line of cyanoacrylate glue around the cork base and clamp for 30 seconds to set. Avoid excess. Trim frayed feather barbs to 3.5 mm with scissors to reduce drag and prevent tearing. Let repairs cure for at least 10 minutes before testing. To extend feather life, apply one thin coat of clear shellac or nail polish to quill bases to waterproof and stiffen the vulnerable area. Allow 5 minutes to tack, then another 10 to fully dry. For mechanical reinforcement, wrap the feather base twice with nylon thread and secure with a dot of glue, trimming excess thread. For a non-invasive sleeve, slip 6 mm heat shrink tubing at the skirt base and shrink with low heat from a hair dryer. Test fit so tubing does not alter flight significantly. When durability is the only way to reduce waste, use synthetic skirt shuttlecocks for high durability during repetitive practice sessions, reserving feather shuttles for match play. Store shuttlecocks at 20 degrees C and 50% relative humidity, laying them flat in a ventilated box to preserve feathers and cork integrity. Rotate shuttles after every 20 serves to distribute wear evenly. Inspect for split quills or softened cork after each session, and avoid playing on wet surfaces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.